Yo guys, what's up and welcome to today's trade recap of the trade that I took yesterday on the 9th of December. I want to keep it very short today because price action was so clean and yeah, although we had news, it was just a very nice setup that I was able to catch here on the Nasdaq. So let's just get over the confluences real quick. So first of all, to mention that we had all these pre-session highs stacked up before market open. And initially, these were exactly the target liquidities that I wanted to see get taken out. You can see again here on the 50-minute time frame all these low resistance liquidities like stacked up. This typical like downstairs pattern that I just keep talking about in my recaps. If you haven't seen my recaps on my channel, you can feel free to check them all out. Also from 1x, 100x, like there's so much value in these recaps. Highly recommend you to watch all of them. And yeah, if you watch the recaps regularly, you should already have an understanding of how target liquidity should look like, and especially that pre-session highs and pre-session lows are always a very high draw of liquidity and are very important for us to pay attention to. So with that being said, market opened. You see that I marked out these lows down here on the 50-minute time frame and also on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. So market opened, we can see we had straight push to the downside, kept sweeping out these low resistance liquidities down here on Nasdaq. Let's erase them. Yeah, and yeah, even this very important low, this high time frame low, previous day lows from Monday, was swept on NQ, but on ES, as we can see right here, we didn't sweep these lows down here. So yeah, in the end of the day, this was just bullish SMT that was forming, while ES didn't sweep out the Monday lows. We can see pretty clearly that on Nasdaq, we swept out these lows on Monday. So with this liquidity sweep in mind, and also in mind that we might form a bullish SMT divergence, again, I will just draw it in for you, creating here a lower low on NQ, and on ES, we maintained the structure forming a higher low. So with this bullish SMT and the liquidity sweep on Nasdaq, and knowingly that we have all these pre-session highs stacked up here, I scale down to lower time frames to see for further confirmation confluences. As always, I like to execute on the 1-minute time frame, and from there on, it was just pretty obvious what to do. Like if you watch these recaps, if you know all these building blocks by now that we're trying to teach you in our Discord, yeah, by the way, join our Discord, link is on our channel. Yeah, it was pretty obvious what's going to happen. We had this liquidity sweep of this high time frame low right here. We swept that out, let's just erase it, and then we broke structure to the upside from there on with this huge candle. Let me just mark the 1-minute high right here as a break of structure. We broke structure with this huge blue candle. Additionally, we had a 1-minute inverse fair value gap of this bearish fair value gap after the liquidity sweep with my bullish bias, with the bullish SMT divergence that we formed. I entered not off the break of structure directly, but like this bullish blue candle had like 3 or 5 more seconds for it to close, and I already pre-fired the entry because I was pretty confident that we will break structure. That's why I got filled somewhere here. And yeah, as you can see, immediately we got a push to the upside, had some consolidation, and yeah, we're retesting this bullish fair value gap that we formed. And also, if you just want to draw the equilibrium from this swing low to this swing high, you can also see that market came down on the 1-minute time frame. Take out equilibrium, really tries to get all the liquidity until the rally really starts. And then if we just go to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that, oh yeah, What a nice move. And how market really seeked out all these pre-session highs and all this low resistance liquidities. And you can see where I placed my take profits. And yeah, pretty much was a 1 to 1.9 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Pretty good risk to reward ratio, pretty clean move, exactly what I wanted to see happened. Although there were news, that's why I de-risked a little bit. But yeah, I just don't know how to explain you this more. Like with all these building blocks that we're trying to teach you, you can see that this was like the best example of a clean move. Although we had news, we had a liquidity sweep, we had a bullish SMT forming, we had low resistance highs, including pre-session highs, resting above us. Execute. There are just some days where you see the chart and you immediately know what's going to happen with a high likelihood. And if you have these setups forming, you should enter, execute. Why not? Yeah, with that being said, feel free to join the Discord. Link is on our channel. There's lots of value in this Discord for free. And yeah, I think today was not today. Yesterday when I took the trade, yesterday's price action was very, very, very good example of smart money concept. So yeah, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. Hope you guys stay healthy. See you in the next one. Peace out.